Welcome back everyone. With the 4th of July weekend coming up, we're going to be doing a lovely cheesecake for dessert. We're going to have blueberries in, strawberries, a bit of lime. We're going to have a lovely toffee cookie base. It's going to be lovely and creamy. Check this out. Right, so over here we have our ingredients. Some fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, some limes, obviously the cheese, lovely yogurt. This gold bottle over here is going to be our cookie basher. We're going to be putting the cookies into a plastic bag and we're going to be whacking them to break them with a champagne bottle. Strong, you're not going to be able to break that very easily, and this is if you don't have a mortar and pestle or a rolling pin. So we're going to take the butter, one stick of butter, put it in a bowl, and we're going to melt it in the microwave. While the butter's melting in the microwave, we're going to take our cookies, open the packets, put them in a plastic Ziploc bag and bash them. Now here comes the fun bit. And now we're going to add the cookies into the butter. The cookies are nice and crushed. We're then going to stir the cookies into the butter mixture so that they can bind and just give them a little bit of moisture. You can smell that the sugar, the caramelized sugar and the butter starting to mix, and it gives it a lovely flavor. My mouth is starting to water. Then what we're going to do is we're going to be taking a square or rectangular glass Pyrex dish. We're going to use a square one over here, and we're going to pour the cookie mixture into the dish, flatten it out at the bottom, and then we're going to set it aside and get ready for our cream cheese filling. You're putting in the cream cheese. It's always a good idea to let the cream cheese sit out the fridge for a fair amount of time so it becomes soft and easier to work with. We're going to be using 2 limes. The lime is going to give it a lovely flavor, a little bit more spicy, a little bit more aromatic than lemon would, almost like a key lime pie. What we're going to do next, add 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. I love using brown sugar. You got quite a bit of acidity from the lime, so the sugar is not going to be overbearing. Cut the sugar and the lime with a cream cheese. So after blending the cream cheese with the lime and the sugar, it's nice and creamy and soft. What we're going to be doing now is putting that on top of the cookie base. Grab our cookies back, and we're going to be using the spatula, just spread that evenly all over the cookie base. And that's ready to go into the fridge to set. We have one last finishing touch for the 4th of July, and that's going to be blueberries and strawberries in the shape of, you're going to see in a minute. Just cutting the ends off. After all the prep has been done, we've chopped up the strawberries, cut them in half. We got the blueberries. We have this lovely creamy cheesecake just waiting to be decorated. And what we're going to be doing now is, for the final touch, we're going to be doing the Stars and Stripes flag. So we're going to be putting a couple of blueberries on the corners over here to simulate the stars on the American flag. Great, now we've got our stars, and our strawberries are going to be doing the stripes. And there we have it. 4th of July, Stars and Stripes, cheesecake. I'm going to put this in the fridge to set for at least 2 hours, and then by the time 4th of July rolls around, it's going to be perfect. There you have it. A lovely cheesecake, Stars and Stripes motif on it, lovely 4th of July dessert. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on all notifications. See you next time.